Hey viewers, I've seen some people reporting that the seat moves a lot left right from the front. Okay, now it's not something to do with the seat. To be honest, it's 99% times it is the wrong fitting of the seat, and not all the prongs that are inside the seat. Also, there's a slot that is placed in its desired place, and that is the reason the seat can move. And mind you, this seat is mounted on a single bolt with a rubber mounted bracket. So even if it is not placed, in correctly in all the prongs, because it is rubber mounted, mara mari karke with forcefully, you can still put the bolt in place. So I'll just show you which are the prongs that you need to take care of. So there are three prongs. This is the one that goes, inside or under the tank, and these are the two other prongs which goes into these two bolts which has collars inside. So this will, the most critical one I will say is this slot in the front. So this slot needs to go inside. There is a key I'll show. So under the tank, in this chassis, there is this key, you can see, and that slot needs to enter in this key, and that is how it will stop the movement of the the left right movement, you can see. So, and there is a method of installing the seat. You need to push the seat backwards first. I'll just show that as well, so keep watching. Okay, so to fit the seat properly, the thing that you need to ensure is this slot should go inside the key that I showed under the tank, near, that's on the chassis. And the correct method is you put the back side of the seat first. Don't push the front side first. Put the back side of the seat first. Push it backward as much as possible, and then you have to press it from the front. In fact, you don't have to actually do a lot of juggling. Once you push the back side of the seat under the grab wheel first, then just press from the top and then slide frontwards. Ensure that the two prongs are in their place. You won't be able to lift the seat if they're placed properly. And the front side, the slot has also gone. I'm trying to lift the seat, it's not coming up. That means it has gone in its place and it is not moving as well. And then you can secure the nut or the bolt in the back of the seat. This is how the seat won't move. So I hope this helps you. It's not a problem with the seat as such. It is the method of installing the seat. So you can do it. You can check whether your seat is already gone with this method or not, and it will solve the issue. So I hope you like this video. Like I always said, subscribe to the channel and happy riding.